Custom Table USA shows you 5000 watts. A very big area, it's 50 centimeter by 50 centimeter. So you can integrate very good for your pool table, craps table, regular table. It's a square electronic. This is the active area, the white square, and the black area is the negative area. So we will make a short test right now with transparent dice, Zontic dice, precision dice with 4 faces combination. Make it big. 5-5. Again, big. 6-5. Again, big. 6-5. Again, big. 6-6. Very good. And now small. Small. Everywhere it's working. 2-1. Small. Hand by hand. 2-2. Small. 1-3. Again. Small. So 2-2. This is very good, and it can be very simple, a bestseller, because many people, they want to integrate this even in the floor, and it's working with matte material dice, solid dice, transparent dice, like 10-inch high, 10-inch high. So now let's see exactly how heavy is this electronic. Let's put. Okay, keep it like that. It's 17.5 kilograms, 17.5 kilograms. Look. So put it back. Let's see how we charge it. It's a very light electronic for 5000 watts. So now we put the charger. All the time the charger is 110 volts for American market, and it's a professional charger. You don't need to stay close to the electronic. Look, we just plug in. Red, charging. Green, full charge. It's very, very simple. Everything is simple here. That's all.